Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 6. To begin, you'll want to master the fundamental controls for moving your character, aiming down sights, and firing your weapon. Pay close attention to your heads-up display, which provides crucial information like your current health, ammunition, and the minimap. Spending some time in the game's tutorial or practicing against AI opponents is an excellent way to build muscle memory and get comfortable with the core gameplay loop before jumping into competitive matches. Mastering movement is key to survival. Incorporate slides, dives, and mantling over obstacles to traverse the environment quickly and unpredictably. When engaging enemies, focus on controlling weapon recoil. Different firearms have unique patterns that you can learn to compensate for. Don't forget your equipment. Tactical items like flashbangs can disorient foes, while lethal grenades are perfect for clearing objectives or flushing out campers. Strategic use of these tools can turn the tide of any firefight. Your loadout is your personal toolkit for success. Spend time in the gunsmith customizing primary and secondary weapons with attachments that boost accuracy, range, or handling. Perks offer significant advantages, from faster healing to quieter movement, so choose wisely based on your preferred combat style. Finally, select score streaks or kill streaks that align with your ability to earn points or eliminations, providing powerful in-game rewards like aerial support or advanced reconnaissance. Call of Duty Black Ops 6 offers a diverse range of game modes, each with unique objectives. Whether you're capturing flags in domination or eliminating opponents in team deathmatch, understanding the goal is paramount. Effective team communication, whether through quick pings or voice chat, significantly increases your chances of success. Always be ready to adapt your approach. Observe enemy movements and adjust your tactics to exploit weaknesses and secure a decisive victory for your squad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.